I decided to choose this apprenticeship because I've always been interested in figuring out how the electrics and stuff work. It's a part of everyone's lives, so I think being able to understand how different circuits and electric works, I think is really useful. I enjoy being hands-on instead of just constantly just reading and taking information. I like actually working on the devices. I think it helps me understand how everything works a bit more.
My friend was able to get me a job at his work, and from there I got to know what it was like going on site all the time, preferred it to academic life. From there it's just skyrocketed to me now going to BMet, going to James Watt and learning skills that I wouldn't have learnt otherwise.
Well, I didn't really choose the apprenticeship chose me. NHS contacted the college and asked if there were any people that they wanted to put forward or if there was anyone that would benefit from this apprenticeship. So me and my colleague at the time went through the interview process. We both got the apprenticeship, so it just shows that BMet has provided us with, the skills and the ability to go for these apprenticeships.
So during this apprenticeship, I've learned a lot of different skills. So I've learned like teamwork skills, working alongside so many different people. And I've also learned timekeeping skills and organisation skills, especially balancing sort of my college work with my work in the industry as well.
From learning in this apprenticeship, I was able to fix my own car, I'm able to fix stuff around the house. It just makes, I wouldn't say life a bit easier, but it just makes certain jobs, certain things is cost effective. Plus I know that I've got a job that I can keep on falling back onto. I'm trained in electrics and I'm trained in mechanical applications. I can keep on going into different businesses in that regard.
After this apprenticeship, I want to level up in the hospital. I'm working in the NHS and I want to develop my medical engineering career.
If I could, I'd like to start the company that I'm currently at because they're good to me. But quite honestly, I'm learning from some of the best, I think, in the business of what we do. I'd love to stay in that career path and keep moving forward with it.
In my career, I think I've got promising a future, yeah.
If anyone's considering taking an apprenticeship, I think you learn just a lot more than the standard route. You gain your qualifications at the same time of gaining your experiences. I think with the apprenticeship, it saves a lot of time.
I was sceptical at first, but I'd say just go for it. There's no better time to start than today, really.
You're learning on the job, you're getting good experience, and obviously the benefits from apprenticeship, you're getting paid while you do it. I would definitely apply because you've no idea how far you'll get.